I'm suffering from constipation for almost 25 years. Everyone, I'm Mrs. Marilyn D. Salbon. I'm turning 49 years old this year. I'm staying at Bedok Reservoir Road. I'm suffering from constipation for almost 25 years. I never pass motion in 3 to 5 days, worse in 7 days. So happens that Baba Habib Taher introduced to us this Lengzi coffee. To my surprise, after drinking 2 cups of coffee the following morning, without fail, I'm going to the toilet to pass motion every morning before starting my daily routine. Thank you so much to Lengzi coffee that I could experience now daily to remove my unnecessary toxin in my body. Before, me and my husband has to spend $50 in order for us to do detoxification, but also to no avail of passing motion daily. I encourage you as well to prove yourself this experience I have for almost a month now. This coffee has only 2% caffeine, no trans fat that clears heart blockages. Because last month I was diagnosed of having enlargement of the heart. Since my parents, my grandparents, my mother, father, grandfather, and grandmother all both died of heart failure. So I am very much worried in order for us to live and have a happy, long-lived life. So I am very excited to try this coffee and be free from this heart palpitation and enjoy drinking healthy coffee and have a healthy living. Thank you.